Hi everyone, in this lecture we are going to discuss IGNOU December 2020 CHE5 Organic Chemistry question number 4. This is question number 4b. Write product name and mechanism of the following reactions. This is CH3, CH2, CH2COH. The butanoic acid react with bromine with red phosphate. Before solving these questions, let's have a look. So this is Hell-Bonner-Zelensky reactions. Hell-Bonner-Zelensky reaction state that aliphatic carboxylic acid. Let's take an examples. This is our aliphatic carboxylic acid. This aliphatic carboxylic acid react with bromine or chlorine in presence of phosphorus or a phosphorus halides. So the catalyst red phosphates are used. This phosphorus halide PBr3 to give two halo acids. So our product is our two halo acids in two positions. That is a halogen group. This is our this is the two halo acids. And this is aliphatic carboxylic acid. So Hell-Bonner-Zelensky reaction states that aliphatic carboxylic acid react with bromine or chlorine in the presence of phosphorus or phosphorus halides to give two halo acids. So if we more than one equivalent of halogens is used the reaction, then 2,2 in this case 2,2 dihalo acid are obtained. Here our question asked the CH3, CH2, CH2, COH. This is our butanoic acid. Also aliphatic carboxylic acid react with bromine, presence of red phosphate as a catalyst. Let's tell me what is the product it forms. Just pause the video and answer in the comment sections. Okay, alright. In this case, two halo acid is formed. So this is our resultant product. The product name is, this is 2-bromo methane, ethane, propane, butanoic acid. And the reaction name is Hell-Bonner-Zelensky reactions. Let's start to understand its mechanism. Before going to discuss its mechanism, I will discuss all parts in this mechanism, only 4 steps. You will remember it, we did not go to its depth. Okay, alright. The first step, this is step 1. Alkanoyl bromide formation. This is step 1, alkanoyl bromide formations. When aliphatic carboxylic acid react with phosphorus bromides, the alkanoyl bromide is formed. This OH group is substituted through bromines, and this bromine is simply joined in these carbons and OH group is substituted. This is step 2, enolizations. Enolizations, this alkanoyl bromide is changed into enol forms, the absence of phosphorus ion. The third step, this is brominations. These enols react with bromine, just simply join the bromine in CH plus and this OH group substitute and form a double bond in this C double bond O plus. Further, this product is further react with aliphatic carboxylic acid and form 2 halo acids. The Hell-Vollard-Janelski reactions of synthesis is important as a 2 halo acid forms. This is all about Hell-Vollard-Janelski reactions. This is question number C. Calculate lambda maximum value of 2,4-hexadiene. The structure of 2,4-hexadiene, that is double bond CH, double bond CH, CH3. This is the structure of 2,4-hexadiene. Before calculating the lambda maximum value of 2,4-hexadiene, let's have a look the base value and substituent value of different compound. The base value for lambda maximum value for ethene, the lambda maximum base value 175, lambda maximum 170, and the lambda maximum value is 258, and for substituent for methyl, for extra methyl plus 5, 1 methyl is 5, for 2 methyl into with 5, that is 10. For extra dienes, that is double bond which is the 30. Now use this data. I hope you will be able to calculate the lambda maximum value of 2,4-hexadiene. Please pause the video and answer in the comment sections. Okay, let's do this. This is our 2,4-hexadienes. In this case, this is our diene part. So for diene we used the base value, that is 217, and 2 alkyl substituent. For 1 substituent is 5, for 2 substituent, 2 alkyl substituent, so 2 into 5, that is 10, and the calculated value that is 227. The total observed value is also same 227. Use all this data to calculate the lambda maximum value of other compounds. I hope it was clear to you. If any query, please comment in the comment sections. And don't forget to subscribe, like, share, press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you for watching.